What's going on, guys? My name is Evan with Snakecraft Hosting, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Minecraft server with us for the very first time. So without further delay, let's get right into it. First thing you need to do is navigate to snakecrafthosting.com and it'll bring you to our website. And then once you are here, there's a bunch of extra stuff you can explore, like details about our servers, our specs, but for the sake of the tutorial, we're just going to be ordering, so we'll select the order tab. Once you are here, you select your game. Currently, we only support Minecraft Java Edition. We have plans to support Minecraft Bedrock Edition and possibly other games in the future, but for now, we will select Minecraft Java Edition. And here are our plans. We have the Bungie proxy, which is not going to be a typical Minecraft server. And then we have plans 1 GB through 8 GB. And more if you need it. You can put a ticket in with us. For the sake of this tutorial, we will select the 2 GB RAM option. Once we are in the shopping cart, we have a few options here, including the jar type. You can do paper or vanilla. We recommend paper for the best server performance. The server location, which is currently Virginia for us right now. Next thing you need to do is put a server name in. You can name your server whatever you'd like. I'm just going to do test123 for the video. And there are some available add-ons here, such as dedicated IP or server migration if you need help moving your server over. Of course, for now, we don't have to worry about that. We'll just hit continue. So this is the review and checkout page. It's pretty simple. If you have a promo code, be sure to punch it in here. For the tutorial, I of course have one. Validate the code. Code has been validated, and then simply select checkout. Next up, we have personal details and billing information to check out, which includes creating a password for the account, all of your basic stuff here. One thing I want to mention is there is a field here for phone number. If you don't feel comfortable putting a phone number in, it is not required. So I figured I'd just mention that. But I am going to fill this out and I'll be right back. I have filled all of this out. Now I'm going to show you guys there's some more information down below here, including your preferred method of payment. Currently we support PayPal or Stripe. You can choose whichever you'd like. You can send us a note, join the mailing list if you'd like, and then just accept the terms of service to complete the order. So complete the order. Great, so our order has been completed and here's our order number. Now we have to navigate to our email address to finish setting up the account. So I will open up the email for the tutorial here. As you can see, our inbox is still empty, which is a problem. That means that the setup emails went to spam. So be sure to check your spam. We have all 6 emails here, and I know you're thinking, why 6 emails? Well, we have the welcome email that you need to verify your email. So we're going to need to do that first. Verify email. Great, so our email address has been verified for the account. And now we need to go back and we have some other business to take care of. This is going to be your invoice, unpaid invoice actually, your order confirmation, your invoice payment confirmation, and then your account information for the control panel, which is where you will be managing your server. One very important thing to keep in mind is that the account that you just verified for billing is not the same account as the control panel account. So select the account created email next and select set up your account. As you can see here, it already auto-filled the email because it partially created the account already. So all we have to do is set a password for the account and then reset account password. So we will do that next. Reset account password. Now that we've got into the control panel, we are pretty much all done here. All we need to do is select the name of the server, hit start. The server will start up. Accept the EULA. Okay. go back to my servers, and now all you have to do is copy this connection address, open up Minecraft, and you can either add your server permanently, which is what we'd recommend, or you can do a direct connection. For this tutorial, we'll do direct connection, paste that in, join server, and that is it. We are now in our server. You can do whatever you like now. One more thing I'd like to mention before I end the video: if you ever get lost, you can go to snakecrafthosting.com and select Customer Portal for anything regarding your service, including customer support, or Control Panel to manage your server. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you later.